All right, bye. Hey guys, today we're making a very easy recipe that I think is healthy, maybe, because you know I'm on a diet, I've been losing weight. Anyways, so we're making zucchini fries, as you probably read from the title. So, you're gonna need panko, but you're gonna need Italian panko, and I put red pepper flakes, garlic, onion, pepper, I think that's it. You can put whatever seasonings you want in it, whatever you want your fries to taste like. Then you get your zucchini. And, oh, you're also gonna need egg. I'm not sure how much, I just have one right there. Because, you know, this was a small zucchini. I have two of them. And I need to do a better setup. I'm sorry, I'm like kneeling on the ground. Okay, and then, how do I do this? And then you're just gonna cut them into whatever fry shape. Sorry about that. So this one I'm gonna do with the skin on, and the next cucumber or zucchini I'm gonna take the skin off, just to see if it does anything different. Like a regular potato fry. Potato fry. These are some big pieces. But that's okay. I'm excited. Aren't you excited? I am. This has seeds in it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the other ones. So I don't know if that transition worked very well. It's a little cringy, I'm sorry. But I kept the skins on them because they're already small and I don't want them to be smaller. And I realized, and also I'm doing this because I would never eat the zucchini because I just don't know how to eat it with ranch, but I think ranch is bad for you. Everything I want to eat is bad for me. Anyways, I forgot to wash these off, so I'm gonna wash these off and then we'll get Dunkin'. Back? Ah! We're back, and we have the egg wash. I moved them into clear cups so you guys could see because I have just a terrible setup going on here. I probably shouldn't even do YouTube because like I suck at it.
It was difficult for me because I felt very alone. I see you and I love you.
And I don't get views. That's okay. All right. Dunk them. Am I supposed to use my fingers? Ugh. Okay, and then dunk them. Coat them really good. You want them to be really good and coated. Cause this is where the flavor comes from. Okay. You see that? That is coated so good. So good. And I have this. Just gonna set them on there. Just like that. And then we're gonna do that with the rest of them. Okay, I have one more left, and I just want to say, after halfway through, dip my fingers in there and in here, cause my fingers to get, you know, surrounded by seasoning, and the seasoning kind of became clumpy, and it stopped sticking to the zucchini. So I had to clean the seasoning out, and I was like, what can I do? And so what I decided to do is just not use my hands. That's a better option because they're sticking a lot better than the rest of them did. So, you know, just grab the butter and just kind of drizzle it on there. I mean, the butter. Grab the egg. Look how nice it's coated. Even the back part that's dark, it's coated perfectly. So here they are. These are the ones I first did, and you can see the coating's kind of clumpy on there. But these are the ones that I start shaking, and they're on there a lot smoother than those. And then into the oven they go. And we're gonna set a timer. All right, hey guys, this is my tree in the corner. That's why it's poking the camera. Anyways, while the zucchini chips are in the oven, I just want to say this video is sponsored by Honey. I'm just kidding. No, it's not. It's not sponsored by anybody but myself. Also, they're literally taking forever. They cooked for 20 minutes. I flipped them over, cooked for another 15 minutes, or maybe it was like 11. And then I turned it back over, and now I'm broiling it for 2 minutes. They're done. I just want them to be crunchy like a... Okay, they're done. I have a problem with eating food that I make. I just like immediately hate it, even if it tastes good. So, stay hydrated. We're going to be role-playing here, okay? Starting now. Hey guys, so I just got back from Jack in the Box, and they have these new healthy fries. And they claim it's made from real potatoes. I don't believe it. Let's look at it. That is so cute. They give you 2 sauces. This one smells like ketchup. This one smells ranch. It's barbecue sauce, yeah. And then we have our fries. I probably should have like made a thumbnail. All right, so let's see how Jack in the Box's fries hold up. It's a little bendy. Must not be crunchy. Let's dip it in the ketchup. Let's try just this. Ready? That is one weird potato. The taste kind of tastes like nothing. And the ketchup. Not too bad. Let's try the barbecue sauce. They're both so good. This one looks crunchy. Does that work? My hands are wrinkly. Oh, guys. I have a tooth growing in it and it hurts so bad. Let's try the ketchup again. This is worth it. You did it again, Jack in the Box. You did it again. Anyways, if you like my video, you probably didn't. Probably not even watching still. But if you are, give it a thumbs up, please. And you'll see that it already has 1 thumbs up. It's from me.